Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. USB cables may all look similar, but the truth is, not all are created equal. If you've ever been confused by different shapes, speeds, or charging capabilities, today's guide will help clear things up. We'll go over USB standard versions, what to look for when buying a cable, and I'll share my top 2 recommendations. Let's start with the basics, the USB standards themselves. USB standards define both the physical connector you see and the performance you get. Here are some of the most common versions you'll run into. USB 2.0, up to 480 megabits per second data, 2.5 watts charging. Fine for simple peripherals. USB 3.2, GEN1, 5 gigabits per second data, faster charging support. USB 3.2, GEN2, 10 gigabits per second data, even better for large file transfers. USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4, up to 40 gigabits per second data, supports high-power charging and video output. Now that you understand USB versions and speeds, let's move on to the other factors that really matter when choosing the right cable. Beyond speed and connector type, these are the main things you should consider before buying. 1. Charging power. Ensure the cable can deliver the wattage your device requires so you get the fastest charging speed without risk of damage. 2. Durability. Look for cables that have been tested for high-bend lifespans, as this means they can withstand years of plugging, unplugging, and bending without fraying. 3. Certification. Check for MFI certification if you're using Apple devices, or USB-IF certification for others to guarantee safety and compatibility. 4. Length and flexibility. Pick a length that suits where and how you typically charge, and consider flexibility for easier use in tight spaces. 5. Extra features. Features like tangle-free design, resistance to extreme temperatures, or eco-friendly materials can improve convenience and longevity. With all these points in mind, I've picked 2 Anker cables that meet the highest standards in both performance and design. Anker Prime USB-C to USB-C 240 watts upcycled braided cable. If you want a cable built for maximum power and extreme durability, this is the one to get. 240-watt ultra-powerful charging. This cable can boost a 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 Pro to 50% in just 26 minutes, letting you work more efficiently without waiting around for a charge. 100-year bend. Durability. It is engineered to withstand over 300,000 bends, giving you a level of longevity that can last for decades. Extreme temperature resilience. It keeps working perfectly even after 72 hours in environments from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can rely on it in almost any climate. Sustainably made. Its outer layer is crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled materials, so every use supports a greener future. Anker Powerline 3 Flow USB-C to Lightning cable. For Apple users who value comfort, flexibility, and safety, this cable delivers on all fronts. Soft to the touch. The silicone finish feels incredibly smooth and comfortable in your hands, making plugging and unplugging a pleasant experience. Super strength. It has a 25,000 bend lifespan, ensuring years of reliable performance even with heavy daily use. Tangle-free convenience. It stays neat even when shoved in your bag or pocket, so it is always ready to use without needing to untangle. Certified safe. MFI certification means it works flawlessly with iPhones, iPads, and other Lightning devices, while delivering the fastest possible charging when paired with a power delivery charger. So, whether you need the unbeatable power and durability of the Anker Prime 240-watt USB-C cable, or the comfort and flexibility of the Powerline 3 Flow USB-C to Lightning, you can count on Anker for top-tier quality and performance. When it comes to charging, do you care more about raw speed or about comfort and flexibility? Drop your answer in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.